If you're looking for a way to refresh your kitchen design, two-tone kitchen cabinets may be the perfect solution. This trend is incredibly versatile and can encompass many different types of cabinetry and color palettes. It's simple. Choose 2 different colors of cabinetry and strategically install them in your kitchen to take part in this trending design. With two-tone kitchen cabinets, there's no shortage of the many variations of this combination. Sometimes it's simply about the color of the island in a kitchen that has different cabinets from the rest. Let's take a further look at this style and your options. Trending style. The two-tone kitchen cabinet look is in. You no longer need to stick with a single color that blends into the background of your kitchen. Pair hues of the same color, a natural texture with a painted front, or 2 contrasting bold colors for a design with a modern flair. Choose any colors that complement the design of the rest of your kitchen. Fresh look. If you're looking for a modern kitchen with a twist and fresh look, two-tone cabinets may be the way to go. By pairing dark cabinets with light wood or vice versa, you can create a unique and stylish look that will make your kitchen stand out. Experiment with different color combinations until you find a look you love. Who says the kitchen has to be boring? With two-tone cabinets, you can have a stylish and modern kitchen that's also unique and eye-catching. So if you're looking for a way to refresh your kitchen's look, consider two-tone cabinets. Creative contrasts. Your kitchen needs a focal point. If the walls, floors, countertops, and other materials in your kitchen don't provide a bright color or primary focal point, use a contrasting color on part of your cabinetry. A vibrant wood stain or paint color makes a beautiful contrast if it's tastefully used on a portion of your two-tone kitchen cabinets. Improve aesthetic appeal. Even the simplest kitchen can be made more elegant with two-tone cabinets. In addition to adding visual interest, they're also relaxing and elegant. Changing your kitchen's color scheme is a great way to enhance the space. Plus, there are several details and finishes you can choose from to make your design stand out. Increase resale value. With two-tone cabinets being a hot trend right now, having this look in your kitchen is a great way to attract potential buyers. You'd be wise to upgrade your cabinets to two-tone ones if you plan on selling your house anytime soon, because they appeal to buyers who want a move-in-ready house. Explore Mod Cabinetry's lines to find the perfect two-tone kitchen cabinets for your space. Get a free estimate to see how much two-tone kitchen cabinets cost. Want to learn more? Check out our deep dive in the article Complete Guide to Styling Two-Tone Cabinets in The Modernist, a Mod Cabinetry publication with hand-picked ideas and inspirations focused on modern, trend-led kitchens. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.